Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have two major stories that are causing a stain all over social media. I think the other one is recent, where Mpumelelo showed us his alleged girlfriend on Facebook, and the other one was Mpilo Msedlegu's graduation. That is a sister, Mpumelelo's sister, younger sister. She graduated recently. Congratulations to her. This is a great achievement for Mpilo. So first we're going to talk about Mpilo. As I said, she recently graduated, and interestingly, she secured a job at Halfway, where she's a car sales agent, which is a good thing. It's a good start for her career. She will flourish. She will definitely flourish. I'm so happy for her. It truly proves that hard work truly pays. Mpilo has become an inspiration to her younger siblings and fans alike. We're here to celebrate her success and an incredible example she's setting for young people across South Africa. But hold up, because it gets juicy. We also have Mpumelelo coming in hot, telling fans that they will respect him by force because he has a new girlfriend. He gets the most beautiful girlfriends and his soon-to-be wife. Yep, you are right. Mpumelelo's statement has caused a massive storm on social media. As you can see the statement, guys, on the screen right now, where he says, "Ay bafana bakithi seningakusho konke enifuna ukusho ngasho ngathi niyoze nithi but ukuthi in English it says, guys, you can say whatever you want to say, but one day you're going to call me brother. You will respect me." And to me, I guess he's telling us that because he gets the best girls he gets the best girls of the best of the girls. That's why we must respect him by force. Guys, this is just crazy. This is just crazy, I'm telling you. So Mpumelelo's statement, like I said, caused a massive storm on social media, with fans calling me out, saying we only respect graduates and hustlers like Mpilo. Things are getting really intense and we're here to break it down. Let's get into it, guys. Let's start with the woman of the hour, Mpilo Msedlegu. We know her from Utandonis Temple. She's Makhumalo's stepchild, but yeah, Makhumalo raised her, and she's also on Izingane's Temple, where she shares her journey with her siblings who were born in Musa Mselegu's polygamous marriage. So Musa Mselegu is their dad. Well, they share dead. Mpilo and Mpumelelo, they share dead. Musa Mselegu, those who have watched Utandonis Temple know that Musa Mselegu is a polygamist who has 4 wives. So both of them have different mothers. Umpilo's mother is Makhumalo and Umpumelelo's mother is Umayeni. So we know that Umpilo is calm, collected, and is intelligent. He's one of the intelligent daughters of Musa Mselegu. This year she took things to another whole level. She has graduated and she's not stopping there. She already secured a job. Can we just take a moment to appreciate her hustle and hard work, guys? Let's appreciate it. I put a clip in the start where I showed her graduating. Look at this picture, guys. Isn't this beautiful? Oh, she looked so beautiful. I'm so happy for it. This is what we call an achievement. I'm proud of Mpilo Mselegu. I'm so proud, honestly. Because she's setting a powerful example, not just for her siblings, but for young South Africans across the country. In a world where so many of us are still trying to figure out life, Mpilo is showing us that dedication and education is still the key to success. Graduating and landing a job soon after, guys, that's not just a flex, that's straight up a role model moment. She's proving that hard work and discipline pays off, and that's something that we need to pay attention to. One of the most beautiful things about Mpilo's journey is that it wasn't handed over on a silver platter. She had to work hard, because in as much as her father is rich, he gave them a foundation, paid for their school fees, took them to school, but it was up to her to work hard and prove herself and get that education. You can't buy education, guys. Well, of course, I've heard other people that other people buy certificates, but with Mpilo, she worked hard, went to school, went through school, studied, and she has graduated and is already stepping in the world of work, ready to make her mark. This is something that any parent cannot buy for you. They can only support and pay your fees, but you need to put in the work, focus, have a vision to get to where Mpilo is right now. I mean, this is only the beginning. It's going to get more and more and higher, but the foundation is solid. So Mpilo is showing that success isn't just about your family name. It's about what to do with the opportunities that you're given. Now, here's the thing. Mpilo's success isn't just about her. It's about how she's inspiring the younger siblings and the next generation in South Africa. In a family like Mselego's, with multiple wives and children, and all the drama that comes with it, Umpilo has chosen to be a positive role model. Her younger siblings now look up to her, and you can see how much they admire her for not just being a daughter of Umusa Mselego, but for being the woman who is taking charge of her own destiny. In a country like South Africa, where access to education can be limited for many, Mpilo's journey shows that it's possible to rise above and break the chains of generational limitations and chase your dreams. She's leading by example, and if there is one thing we need more of, it's young people who are determined to do better for themselves and their communities. Her siblings are clearly proud of her, and that's what we need to see more in our families: sibling support, encouragement, and unity. Mpilo's not just paving the way for herself, but she's showing her younger siblings that they too can break from the typical expectations placed on them by society or their family's name. Let's move on to Mpumelele's controversial statement that we're going to respect him by force. Now, this is the flip side, you know. After Mpilo's success, another one of Selegu's famous personalities has been making headlines, and I don't know if it's for a good or a bad reason. Mpumelelo recently took to social media with a controversial statement. He basically told fans that they will respect him by force because, I don't know, it's because he get a new girlfriend who is soon to be his wife. I don't know, but he posted himself with a girlfriend who is new, that we don't know of. So let's be clear. Mpumelelo's new relationship is getting a lot of attention, and he seems to be very proud of his new love interest. But his comment demanding respect by force rubbed a lot of fans in the wrong way. Some people were quick to call him out on social media, saying that respect has to be earned, not demanded. And here's the real drama. Fans are coming for him, saying they only respect graduates and hustlers, not people who just fund their relationships and expect applause. Because, guys, first of all, where does Mpumelelo work? Hey, this one. Hey, he looks like he's an allegedly spoiled brat nje, because we don't even know when Mpumelelo works. So people are like, no, 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 we respect graduates like Umpilo, we respect graduates and people who hustle for themselves, not just flaunting girls on social media and exchanging girls. Hey, I agree with those comments. I mean, with those people in the fence. Okay, now when South Africa comes for you on social media, they don't hold back. Fans have been dragging Mpumelelo for his audacity to think that he can demand respect. So as I said, there was a lot of a buzz on social media. One fan tweeted, "Respect is earned, not forced. We respect hustlers and graduates, not just someone who's caught up in the drama." Another fan commented, "Mpumelelo should focus on building his future like his sister Mpilo. If he wants respect, he needs to work for it first." Ouch. It seems that fans have had enough of all the "I'll demand respect" mindset. They are all tired of people who think respect comes from just showing off a relationship or a new partner. Respect, especially in South African culture, has always been something that's earned through hard work, humility, and actions, not just words. Social media is exploded with debate. Some fans feel like Mpumelolo's attitude is toxic and entitled, while others believe he simply expressing confidence in his new relationship. Hi, wow, guys, just wow. But here's the thing: his approach to respect doesn't seem to resonate with fans who value hustle, education, and integrity. In a country where so many people are fighting for their future and working hard to succeed, Pumelo's attitude seems to have been tone deaf. So, guys, what are the lessons that we're learning here? What are we learning from here in terms of respect, with ethic, and family dynamics? First, respect is something that you earn, not demand. Mpilo Mseleko showing us that through hard work, education, and perseverance, respect naturally follows. Yes, we respect to Umpilo for graduating, for working hard, getting that job. For me, she has earned my respect. Mpumelelo, on the other hand, is learning the hard way that you can't force people to respect you, especially when you haven't done the work to back it up. There is a lesson here about humility and the importance of building something solid for your future, and understanding that success comes in many forms, but it requires effort. So, guys, as I conclude, please let me know in the comment section what you think about all of this. Like, who's setting the right example? On my side, as I conclude, in the end, Mpilo is leading by example and showing us that the best way to get respect is through hard work and perseverance. She's creating a legacy of success, education, and personal growth that we can all admire. So, guys, let me know what you think in the comment section between the two parties. I'm just reviewing two children born from the same parent, but they are going different journeys. What do you think, guys? For me, I am proud of Umpilo. She has done well for herself. I don't need Umpumelelo. I don't need Umpumelelo. I just wish he changes his attitude and shifts this whole dynamic. Good for him that he got a girlfriend, but demanding respect from us. I'm sorry, guys, it's not coming from me. Thank you so much for watching, subscribing. Those who are watching and never subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate all of you guys, the views, everything, your engagement. I appreciate it, guys. I can't wait to hear what you say in the comment section. I mean, if you guys engage, it shows that you're listening to what I'm sharing. I love it, guys. You're listening to my work. I love it so much, and I grow from these comments. You know, I remember someone said my sound was bad the last time. I'm working on it, guys. I recently managed to afford to buy a mic. It's on the way. It's being shipped so that I can improve on the sound quality, guys. I look forward to criticisms, whether positive or negative. They help me grow. Thank you so much, guys. Keep warm, keep safe this winter. Until the next one, bye.